Hey guys, Becki-licious here, and today I am excited to try this spicy pineapple recipe. So let's get started on it. All right, so we are doing this spicy pineapple dip. I guess we're going to call it a dip. It can be pretty much anything, and that's what intrigued me about this recipe. For starters, I absolutely love pineapple, and this recipe seemed super easy, and it could be put on anything, a burger, on your chips, whatever you want. And like I said, I think it's going to be amazing. So let's get started on it. First thing, we just need to cut up our pineapple. So we're going to cut the top off first, very carefully. We're going to cut the bottom off. So we got to get this entire pineapple cut up because we want all of the fresh pineapple chunks. All right, we've got our pineapple already chopped. We're going to leave that aside first a little bit while we work on the yummy spiciness from inside. So we've got a large pan here, and we are going to put in some apple cider vinegar and some sugar. And then we've got some ground ginger. And then the spicy is the red pepper flakes, crushed red pepper flakes. So we're going to get this all stirred up until the sugar melts completely, okay? And then that's when we're going to add in the pineapple. So catch you back here in a little bit. All right, our sugar has melted, and we're going to add in this pineapple. We've got to be delicate about it. I don't want to splash all over. But, oh, goodness, this is going to be yummy. Got that fresh pineapple. So we're going to get this all stirred up so it's all coated around the pineapple, and then we're going to let this simmer for a good 10 minutes, okay? All right, so this has been simmering for a good 10 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and turn off the fire and scoot it over and let it cool down for about at least 30 minutes. It needs to cool down. So while we're waiting for that to happen, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. And click on that link me for some other fun stuff, all right? I'll catch you back here in a bit. All right, this spicy pineapple dip is all cooled down. Got it transferred to a bowl. The rest of it's going to go in the jar because the jar is going to go in the refrigerator. So those juices and the yummy flavors are just going to continue just soaking up into the pineapple. So I feel like with each day that this is sitting, it's just going to get better and better and better. This is absolutely amazing. You could use it as just appetizers, put some pineapple on it. We've got crackers. We've got some, bread. This is just, it's really, really, really good. I tried one already. I did add a little bit more spice. You can, adjust that, but I did add a little bit more spice. But I definitely have been dying to try it on a cracker. But there you go. We had another fun adventure in the kitchen, and this one was one I'd never done before. So I'm glad it turned out. So thank you guys for joining me. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. Oh, that is amazing on a cracker. Oh my God.